Hi everyone. This is number 20. Yeah, they are. It's Chrome. Jets and Broncos. I'll do a cheap kill at 115. Who wants it? 115 on the kill. You got to kill it though. 115. All right, Ethan, we're full. Thank you. Thanks, Ethan. All right. Is everyone sending on the directs? Joseph, you're late. Sorry. 25 is next. Yes. Hold on a second. Everyone send on the directs, guys. All right, let's break. I'm waiting on a ton of directs. You got to use the bathroom?
What?
You got to use the bathroom?
No, why?
Oh, okay. 25 is next.
Is it clogged?
Don't use that one if it's not clean. Guys, Vinny, guys, send directs. Is anyone paying Cash App? Oh, Vinny, you're sending Cash App. Okay. All right, Dean, just send over. Let's break. All right, let's do it. Yeah, Dean, you're good. I know. All right, let's break.
Dino.
Dean.
What?
It's Dean, not Dino. I don't like Dino. Dean.
What do you mean you don't like? What?
Call him Dean or call him LOL. Just call him LOL. Just say LOL.
The fuck?
All right. Well, here we go. 24. Guys, you can count on. I'll do all 35. It's honors. It's live. It's right now.
No. Just that. Oh my god, I hate the way he brushes. It's like this. Okay? Not like this. It's this. Gentle. 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 Okay. My Instagram. I think Jane D knows my Instagram.
I'm going to faint.
You're gonna faint?
This is ridiculous.
Do you have to do CPR on you?
Hold on a second. Really? This might be the... Hold on a second. All right, this box is terrible. We have one bad box.
Jane. Well, thank you, Michael.
We have a rookie to 70.
So sweet.
Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Throne.
Jane D. Oh no.
There's a massive card in here. Another massive card.
Oh my god, I can't handle it.
We have a rookie cracked ice to 15 of Higgins out of Clemson. Bengals. Wow. I can't yell anymore though, guys. I'm sorry. It's too much.
I got it. I'll do it.
We have a rookie auto to 4 of Debo.
Just tell me when I'm ready. When to
Brian Hicks, nice hit to 4 out of Absolute.
Is this the one?
No, just wait.
Oh.
We have a rookie auto of Judy.
Judy.
For Ethan Silverman on the kill to 25.
Ethan Silverman. You monster.
Oh. I know, because there's no food.
Same.
Willie Gay Jr. for the Chiefs to 70. We have a rookie to 5. The golds are to 5 in this. We have a rookie to 5 of CeeDee Lamb for Dean Deradita to 5. This is beautiful coming up here. We have a redemption. 2004 Honors Rookie Signature Orange of Justin Jefferson for the Vikings and Throne.
Brian, really? I love me some sushi burritos. Have you ever had one?
No.
He's missing out.
We have a Rookie Contenders auto. This is an original auto. This isn't a true original. This is not a buyback. Folks, rookie ticket of McCaffrey for the Panthers.
McCaffrey.
It's a 9 with a 9. This was a card they re-put in. Kevin Hoke, are you kidding me? Where else can you pull this? Unbelievable. Louis, unbelievable. We continue. It gets better. A lot better. It just gets a lot better. This is sick. We have a sick card. Everyone's going to go crazy. The chat's going to go nuts in about 2 minutes here. Urlacher, Bears.
Urlacher.
These are the ones numbered to 54.
I passed out. I saw the card.
Okay, you know what we're going to do here? This is going to be the funniest thing ever. Before I show the card, you're going to pretend to be me. You're going to give a speech. Let's see how you...
No, I don't know what to say. What's
no,
that
you don't have to say anything about the player. You just talk about like the way I say. You're going to give your best impersonation of me about loving the business, loving the product.
Oh my God.
Jonathan Taylor for the Colts to 20. Folks, just watch. Just watch. Just watch. We have a rookie autograph.
Right.
By the way, hold on a second. We have a rookie autograph. J&D, I didn't leave you out on this one.
It's a freaking Tua!
J&D, I didn't leave you out. It's to 25 on the Tua.
Alright, come on. When am I going to do a speech?
I'm going to tell you when to start the speech.
I'm so excited.
Okay? J&D's on the board. This card is beat. The chat is going to explode. I'm not kidding. This is a huge card. On the countdown that I give you, you're going to give the greatest backer speech impersonation of your life. Folks, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Folks! I said it once! And I will say it again! No one loves this business as much as I do! No one! No one! My God!
Keep going.
You guys are missing out! Oh my God, my seat went down. You don't get it! You don't! I dream about this day and night! You have no idea how much I love this business! This industry! It's my life! I had to spit, because he does that. And scene. Oh.
You know,
I'm so tired.
Yeah, do this too.
Buy it all! Just buy it! You're wasting your time! Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Folks,
It's gonna out in there now.
You're only going to find this. You're not going to find this in a bookstore.
Oh God.
You're not going to find this at home. You're not going to find this in a local card store. You're not going to find these boxes on the internet because they're all gone. Folks, they do offer these cards. Any last words you want to say before I show this?
No one in this industry loves cards as much as I do. No one!
There is no... Buy it all!
Buy it!
I can't make this up. Folks, look at what is on the screen. The chat's going to explode.
My
literally.
freaking voice.
The chat is going to explode.
Oh my God.
Look at the chat.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
Folks, I can't make this up. I'm trying to justify it and I can't. Are you kidding me? Tyler Caffey! Who are you, Tyler? Who in the hell are you? That card is so big, you have no idea.
I'm pretty sure I have an idea.
You have no idea.
Maybe a little bit.
Are you... By the way, J&D, this is the insert you want. Unreal. To 1. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
I cannot make this up!
Look at the chat. That's insane.
I'm done now. Thank you. Thank you for your time. My voice is gone.
And this is insane. This is an on-card,
Oh my God.
By the way, that's going on Instagram. Craig, hold on. I gotta go on Telegram here. And what break is this? This is we gotta get this on. End of 24. End of 24. Vivian's speech. We're making a video of this. This is insane.
Great.
This is insane. I can't believe this. This could be one of the biggest. This is probably one of the biggest cards we've hit the whole day.
The whole day. Wow.
You realize this is Tyler, I can't... Tyler, are you kidding me, dude? You're new. Tyler. Do you understand what this is, dude? You're not even modded, dude. Tyler, I can't believe you just hit this card. Tyler.
You're now part of our family.
Tyler.
It's inevitable. It's too late!
Unreal. Well, good. He's your best friend. Well, I got news for you, Tyler. I'm your new best friend. So screw Zach. I'm your new best friend. After me just hitting you that card, I'm your best friend, Tyler. And I'm going to mod your ass right now, too. Wow, what a day to find us, guys. Folks, I can't believe it. That card is so big, it's insane. I got to put this aside.
My throat hurts. Being you is pretty hard.
It's not easy.
It's not. My voice is... Oh my God.
Tyler, I'm gonna overnight this card to you, sir.